In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restrict board deletion in Trello and make sure your important boards don't get accidentally removed. If you manage a team or run projects inside Trello, controlling who can delete a board is absolutely critical. The good news is that Trello already has built-in permission controls. You just need to configure them properly. And in this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to do that step by step. Before we jump in, if this video helps you manage your Trello workspace more effectively, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, it's important to understand who can actually delete a board in Trello. Only workspace admins and board admins have the ability to close and permanently delete a board. Regular members cannot delete a board. That means if you want to restrict board deletion, the real control comes down to managing admin permissions. So the solution is simple: control who has admin access. Step 1 is to remove unnecessary board admin rights. Open Trello and go to the board you want to protect. In the top right corner, click on Share. This will open the Members panel where you can see everyone who has access to the board. Next to each member's name, you'll see their role, either admin, normal, or observer. Carefully review this list. If someone is listed as an admin but doesn't actually need administrative control, click on the drop-down next to their role. Change their role from admin to normal. This immediately removes their ability to delete the board. Repeat this process for any other members who should not have admin-level control. Remember, only keep board admin access for trusted individuals who truly need full control over board settings. Now let's talk about workspace admins. If someone is a workspace admin, they may also have elevated control depending on your workspace settings. To review this, go back to your Trello home screen and open your workspace. Click on Settings, then go to Members. Here, you'll see who has workspace admin privileges. Just like with boards, review this list carefully. If someone doesn't need workspace admin access, click on their role and change it to a normal member. This reduces the risk of boards being deleted at the workspace level. Another helpful step is limiting who can create boards in the first place. Inside Workspace settings, look for the option that controls who can create and manage boards. Set this to workspace admins only if you want maximum control. This prevents unnecessary boards from being created and later deleted. It's also a good idea to periodically audit your board permissions. Teams change, roles shift, and access that made sense months ago might not make sense today. Doing a quick permission review every few months can prevent major issues later. One more important thing to remember: in Trello, boards are first closed before they are permanently deleted. If a board is closed accidentally, workspace admins can reopen it from the closed board section. However, once a board is permanently deleted, it cannot be recovered. That's why restricting admin access is so important. So to quickly recap, only workspace admins and board admins can delete boards. Regular members cannot. To restrict deletion, remove unnecessary board admin rights and limit workspace admin privileges. Control the admins and you control deletion. That's it. You've now successfully learned how to restrict board deletion in Trello and protect your projects from accidental or unauthorized removal. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Trello tips and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.